What's up, y'all? My name is Barbara Atewe. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I made my rosemary mint oil. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's begin. All right, so on the screen prior to this clip, y'all saw all the tools and ingredients that I used. Right now, I am just taking my washed mint. I did not measure, because I don't measure, because I'm chaotic like that. But at my grocery store, they sell packs of like fresh herbs. So I just took like, I already had the mint in my fridge from when I was making like dinner or whatever. So I had like leftovers. And so I just took that and I put it in the oven and roasted it for 2 hours at 185 degrees. You can roast it lower for longer, but that's the lowest my oven will go. So I popped it into the oven for 2 hours. And then after that, I added my dried rosemary. I decided to use dried rosemary instead of fresh rosemary because according to Google, it won't last as long. So unless you dry it like I did, but I already had dried rosemary on hand. But the carrier oil that I'll be using is the organic virgin coconut oil. I got it from Costco. It's like a big tub. It's like 2.3 kilograms. And then what I'm doing now is just I am melting it down because I didn't want to like melt it down on the stove in a pot because I was afraid I was going to burn it, even though, I don't know. I just didn't want to put it like directly over a flame to melt it down. So I decided I was going to use the kettle and have it melt down a bit. And then I let that sit for a little bit on the in the bowl so it can melt down. Okay, and then once the coconut oil is melted down enough, you're gonna go pour your dried herbs into a pot and then pour the oil into the pot, and then you're gonna put your stove on low, on the lowest setting, and then you're just gonna let it rock. You are just gonna let it rock. I let it rock for about 2 hours. I was staying up late that night. I don't know why I was up late, but that's neither here nor there. I just let it rock on the stove for 2 hours, and then the next day, I let it sit overnight, and then the next day I transferred the oil into a measuring cup, and then I had my mesh sieve on top of my mason jar so that I can like sift through the oil so the herbs are not going directly into the oil, because it will go rancid if you leave it in there, apparently, according to Google. I don't know, but so what I did was sift the oil through the sieve into the jar. I heated it up again actually in the morning just to make sure that it did what it needed to do. So I just heated it up for like another 30 minutes. And then as you can see, I'm still pouring it into the jar. And then I'm taking like a wooden spoon and kind of like pressing down into the sieve so that all the oil can get out. Okay, and now it's time to add all of your other oils. Okay, we're gonna add our Jamaican black castor oil. We're gonna add some saw palmetto oil. We're gonna add our tea tree oil, our eucalyptus oil. What else did I use? I'm not sure. I just grabbed all the oils in my house that I like to use on my hair. Some people don't like to use coconut oil as a carrier oil, but girl, it works just fine for me. I use, I don't know how to explain myself because when I tell people I use this product in my hair, they're like, why? I use Vaseline in my hair, okay? My hair is very resilient. It is very thick. Vaseline seals all the moisture and it does what it needs to do, okay? So I like to use this as a, rosemary mint oil in combination with the Vaseline. And then, you know, cause my hair is like a oil, like a moisture vacuum. And since the Vaseline is like so thick, it allows the hair not to dry out as fast. So I don't have to be oiling my scalp every day because who has time for that? Not me. I'm very low maintenance when it comes to my hair. And I think that's why I'm able to grow it as thick as it grows right now, because I'm struggling right now because my hair is so thick. Like, you cannot see my scalp. That is how thick my hair is. But it's great. It's a great problem to have. But now that we've added all of our oils into the mason jar, we are just going to take the rubber thing that makes it airtight. Also, be sure to sterilize your glass jars when you're done. I mean, before you do this, like when you buy a new jar, make sure you sterilize it. All you have to do is just pour boiling water into it and then let it air dry completely. That's it. So that's how I make my rosemary mint oil. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Okay, bye-bye.